So without even doing any calculations, you can tell that REI is not maximizing the length of their title tags. And here I'll even critique this one quite a bit. Uncommon Path REI, read Uncommon Path for stories about a life's outdoors. I don't know that this is a blog until I actually go up to the site URL up here and see that the word blog is in the URL. As well as you can see here that they're not taking advantage of the length of the description tag as well. And how you can tell that is if you just go and copy this and just go into Word. And as you can see, I did some prep work on this video, but we'll just capture or highlight the title tag or the description tag. And this one, the characters with spacing is only 107 spaces. And then here's another example, is a life outdoors is a life well lived. If you highlight that length and don't highlight the extra space, but we did actually highlight an extra space so we could remove that, but basically the character length is 53. Now on a title tag, the recommended length is 50 to 60 characters, and so they could go another 10%. And what you can do to find out that information is you could just Google it. Recommended title tag length, and here it's 50 to 60 characters, which is consistent with what I've seen. And recommended description tag length, and what you'll see here is it's anywhere between 50 and 160. So, and that's according to Moz. And if you don't know who Moz is amazing. So they're not taking advantage of 50 to, or another probably 10%, 10 to 20% on some of these listings. And their blog, I would think they would want to make sure that that one is pretty visited, and I would think you'd want to write those tags. Now, how you can tell that they actually wrote these is if you go to this page, you can click on any page really, and then you can hit Control U, and that'll pull up the source code, and then you can hit Control F and then type in the word title, and here's the title tag for that particular page.